अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम ज़यान बेजत है। आज इज़ अ लिटिल डिफरेंट वीडियो। टुडे वी आर नॉट लुकिंग एट बैजेस, दिस इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रिक कार मेड इन चाइना। आजकल जिस स्पीड से गाड़ियाँ फील हो रही हैं मार्केट में आ रही हैं, इट ऑलमोस्ट फील्स लाइक एवरी न्यू कार इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रिक कार। अ लॉट ऑफ दीज कार्स दे फील लाइक बैटरीज ऑन व्हील्स। व्हाट वी आर हियर टू फाइंड आउट, टेस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस इफ दिस कार गिव्स यू मोर देन दैट। चले जी, ब्रेक लगा दी है। जिस साइज़ की गाड़ी है, it is very good on the body roll. The way you can comfortably go around a corner. This is the GAC Hypetech HD. Not all electric cars are created the same. ये गाड़ी जो है हाइपटेक का स्टैंडर्ड वेरिएंट है, बट दे आर शोइंग अस व्हाट कैन बी डन विद इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स, वेयर लग्जरी कैन गो विद इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स इन पाकिस्तान, एंड हाउ EVs are supposed to be in this country. GAC is a Chinese brand which has been on the Fortune 500 list. ये लोग manufacturing partners रहे हैं with Toyota and Honda in China. Essentially, Hondas and Toyotas जो Chinese market के लिए बनती हैं, GAC बनाता है. A brand like this coming to Pakistan is not a quiet move. And the group that's bringing it to Pakistan is Lucky Motors. For example, अब जेको की सक्सेस के पीछे गाड़ी का रोल इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है जितना उसके ग्रुप के ऊपर है. Similarly, अब GAC is coming to Pakistan in partnership with Lucky Motors Group. This is going to be a very big move, a very serious introduction of these cars into the Pakistani market. अब GAC in collaboration with Lucky Motors, they are building an entire EV ecosystem in Pakistan. Cars for all segments. They've got SUVs, they've got sedans. हर segment में ये गाड़ी निकाल रहे हैं. Multi-layered एक EV ecosystem build कर रहे हैं to properly have a presence in Pakistan. This is where electric cars, they stop feeling like a compromise and more like you're getting what you paid for. Actions speak louder than words. This is what tells you how serious a brand is or how serious it's not. अब this Hypetech HD is designed under the liquid aesthetic design analogy of GAC. It's designed to look like a teardrop. Passenger experience को आप बाकी चीज़ें छोड़ दें. You just look at the visual aspect of it. Look at how the seats are designed. The interior is designed. Body roll की जो बात हुई थी, the suspension is a double wishbone at the front, 5-link suspension at the rear. अब especially कराची के अंदर जितने खड्डे आपको experience करने पड़ते हैं, you don't get rattled. These are suspension setups that are being used by German manufacturers, Korean manufacturers. Noise, vibration, harshness. अब ये कुछ figures हैं, ये कुछ standards हैं जिनके हिसाब से ये गाड़ियों का quality और इन गाड़ियों का एक stance in the market establish होता है. Plus you have an 8-year warranty with the car, so you're at peace of mind. There is no tire noise in the cabin. मेरी आवाज़ एको नहीं हो रही है. This is double layered soundproof glass. अब ये गाड़ी जो है, this is pushing out around 335 brake horsepower. In the real world, these figures, they are important, but they're not as important as actual world statistics. जो आपने actually road के ऊपर use करते हुए आपके काम आनी है चीज़. Practicality आती है, how it handles the weather, how the car drives, how it feels. वो सारा जो passenger वाला aspect आ गया था. अब ये गाड़ी जो है, this features a magazine battery, which is designed to prevent something called thermal runaway. बैटरी को आग ना लगे. अब the Hypetech H, they are designed with the customer in mind. What these cars make the customer feel. Coming to Pakistan, backed by obviously a very strong name. Road trips लगाने आपने, it gives you a range north of 600 kilometers. It's going at 140 kilometers per hour right now. Figure ये मैं quote कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पे because we're at a test track facility, closed facility. There's no one being put in danger. And there you go. Look at how it corners. Wow. They have skill, they've got talent, they've got brains from all across the world coming together to build these cars. You have to give credit where it is due. अब ये गाड़ी जो है, this has an 83 kilowatt hour battery and it is in length, it is longer than an Audi e-tron. अब the size of this SUV and the power it puts down, अब देखिए कितना confidently you can take a turn in this at a speed like this. इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होती है.